let's make this happen. So hello and welcome to a special vlog. Today's vlog is going to be special because of two reasons. One, we reached 100 subscribers. Two, Battlegrounds Mobile India has been launched its full version. So we are doing a gameplay and game review. So first of all, thank you for subscribing to my channel. It shows how much the love and support you guys give to my channel, and 100 subscriber is a milestone for me. And secondly, if you're watching first time this video as a first timer, so welcome to my channel and welcome to the vlog, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so that you will never miss a fresh and awesome content on my channel. Let's move towards the gameplay and game review. Before that, I would like to give you some important things here about this game. First of all, this game is only made up for India. You cannot install it when you are outside the country, nor you can play it if you have installed it in this country, and if you are planning to go out of the country, you cannot play this game. This is specifically made for India. Second thing, if you have purchased something like UCs and outfits in PUBG, you can transfer those things and datas from PUBG to BGMI before 6th of July 2021. Yes, so before 6th of July you need to log in into the Twitter or Facebook account which you had logged in during the PUBG days, and you can retrieve all the data present there. And this is funny, a moment of silence for Apple users. Peace. There is no official version of iOS of this BGMI for iOS users, so can't help. So let's move on towards the gameplay. So when we start this game looks more like PUBG. There is no much difference in it, and there are 3 pages here. Exactly, I don't know what they call it, but in the lobby there are 3 pages. One is for classic and arcade version, the second one is for team playing version kind of thing, and third one is basically the store of the PUBG where you can buy stuff.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Okay, so yeah, basically it looks like PUBG only. There is no much difference, and the graphics are very crisp, and I had tried the beta version. The graphics were not so sharp compared to this, and the maps are same. There are no difference in the maps, and the plane sequence, jumping out of the plane sequence is also the same. So when we jump out of the plane, the same sequence comes all the time. So yeah, that's where all the guns are also same, I think. And yeah, now let's go to the showroom where all the guns are kept and see if we can find some guns. Okay, the sound and the footsteps are all basically same. There is no much difference compared to PUBG, and all the guns name are also same, I think. Yep, the guns name are also same. The powers, everything is same, no doubt here. Okay, let's get some guns. Yeah. Okay. Oh, don't forget the frag grenade. Yeah, as if I'm gonna use it. So okay, more guns, as if I'm gonna last long in this game and kill some people. Let's see till where it goes. Okay, I'll go near the firing, where the firing is happening, and yeah. Oh, let's go to the church. Let's go to the church and let's go up. Oops. Again, let's fire some people from above the church, on the roof of the church. Okay, and let's see if somebody is here. Duck. Okay, nobody is here. Let's go ahead, check out for some people if there are. Let's fry them. Oh yeah, there is one guy. Yeah, the same. There is everything is same. There is no difference. Even the gun sounds are same. The way someone kills, except the when you kill someone, you get those leaves out of their body when you kill them, instead of blood stains and all that blood thing. Okay, somebody's killing me. Okay, let's hide. Oh yeah, where is he? I can't understand. Let's use the health pack. It's pretty much the same. There is nothing much difference between this and PUBG. Oh yeah, let's kill this guy. Okay. Oops, sorry. My bad. I'm out of practice. Okay, help, someone help. Okay, let's hope somebody is coming to help me before I get killed. Come on, man, come on. Help. 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 Okay, somebody is here. That's a good thing. Okay, stop clicking help. And retrieve me, man. Revive me. Come on. Oh yeah, he's doing it. Thank God. People are still generous in PUBG, I guess. Okay. Let's see if I have an health pack. No. Let's drink the soda. Okay. And here I check for some people if they are present, and there is no one present out there. So see if someone is here behind. There are 10 people and I don't know where they are. So we need to find them. We need to go where the shooting is going on. Yep, that side, that direction. Yes. Let's see if somebody is here. There is a guy. Okay, let's fire him. Let's see if we go through the wall. I really don't know. Okay, kill him. Oh god. Oh, he has supply, man. He has such a big stash of supply. I don't have anything. My health was also low. I think I basically suck at playing, so yeah. Okay, kill me, man. Yep, that's it. Gone. Nobody's gonna come to help. Yep, gone. So basically these are the things present in it, and I was able to kill a guy. So yeah. So I hope you have liked this today's vlog, and I hope you have found it entertaining as well as interesting. So to watch such awesome content on my channel in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you will never miss any update. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, ciao.